everybody and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm really excited because we're going to do another Harry Potter DIY. And if you didn't watch the last one, we did the fudge flies and the paper mentos that you can see, like the little boxes for these sweet candies. And I'm really excited because today we're going to do a lot simpler DIY, because if you watch the last one, I will put a link somewhere, of course. It was long because just for making these props themselves are really long to make, so the video, even if I make it the shorter that I can, it was long. So today is going to be a really simpler DIY. So it's going to be the Glacial Snow Flakes. So it's another like sweet candies box that you can make. It's really simple, like you will see, and it's really cool, and it's really like simple, and it's really fun to make. So if you want to see how I did this little box and with what, just keep on watching. Okay, so for making this prop, you're not going to need a lot of things. It's going to be really simple. It's not like the other one. So first of all, you will need glue, really simple glue that you will need, of course. You will also need Exacto, a simple Exacto like this one. Also an Exacto knife, that like a simple one for little details, but you will not going to use it a lot, but you can always use it if you prefer this over the big one. You will need, of course, paper. For this prop I used 28 pounds paper. For the other one I use 2 sheets, but this one I'm going just to use one, and I didn't have time to go buy 32 pounds sheet because it's going to be a lot better, sorry, but you can use it. I recommend to you to use that the 32 pounds paper. Also, of course, a printer. I don't have laser printer, but I recommend you a laser printer, but a normal is also right, and also like in color, of course, and just like a computer or whatever you use to just print. I will also put a link in the descriptions down below for these templates, printable, whatever you want to call it. I'm really sorry that you see like the shadow of my iPhone, but whatever, like the light here is crap for making video, but like I don't know what I'm going to do for making it better. I just have like a light just right on me, so I don't know, I will think about it for maybe in a couple of video you will see a difference. But yes, and also you will need a cutting board, of course, because you don't want to cut your table, or and also just making is just real good. I really recommend you. It's like the first thing you may need to do DIY and papercraft or whatever, just for cutting paper. Okay, so I think we're going to begin right now. So first of all, we're going to, like the other one, we're going to make a little like more just here, like you will, when you will print, you will see like where you're going to need it, but after that I will maybe cut it, maybe, I don't remember exactly. So I'm going to let like a little bit of paper just for making it here with the glue for the two parts together. So just cut like this little part right there, and also, and after that just cut it simple you will probably see my head, sorry, but it's more precise. So like the for the other side, just let a little bit of paper. Okay, so right there we have the front, and we're just going to do the same thing with the back. And for the back, you don't need to put like the little a little bit of paper for the contour. Is for so it's resemble like last time. You need to cut like all the white part at the ear because it's just like this part. So just okay, so now that we have our two pieces, we're going to just fold all the little pieces that we need to fold. So just you will see like a demarcation line for where, but it's really clear. So, and also you can see it like just right here. You have, it's not like then, so you just need also to fold just right here. Okay, so when you're going to have finished to fold everything, like it's going like to be like this. So you can already glue these little part together, and also a little bit of the white that we left. So it's going to be like that. We're going to let this little part just dry, like the glue dry a little bit. I'm going to fold this part now, so it's exactly like the other one. Okay, so maybe if you want it to be easier, maybe you can let a little like piece of paper just for these to be like together and like this, but it's going to be like probably the same, but just like difficult, if you can say, but it's not really that difficult, don't worry. So just to show you how it would look, so it's going to be like that. Just like a real box, because it's like the real box. Just like that. Okay, so what we're going to do is, oopsie, okay, so we're going to do, okay, so this part is like, we have to put glue on like everything, but when we're going to put the glue on the last thing, the first one will be already dry, so we need like to be fast and smart. So going to put glue on this part first. I'm really sorry for the light, and also this part. Fast, fast, fast. But of course we're going to need to add glue. Okay, so okay, so after that we're going to need to put glue here, and glue here. Don't worry, we're going to add some glue. So I have like this that I it's like baguette, but I don't know, like I don't know what is it really. I just found somewhere, but it's like wood with like it's I don't really know what is it exactly. So you're just going to take some glue here and just put it here. I'll show you, but I don't even know if you really see it. Same thing on the other side. Seriously, I can't wait to have better paper like 32, because they're going to be like heavier, so easier to use. So just put pressure, but not a lot, because it's like you can see, but you can see, oh my gosh, it's a little bit like curvy. So, and after I'm going to do other glue, and it's going probably to be the end, like that's it. Like it's really easy, like a lot easier that, and it's like it's not take that long. Like for the two other that we did and that I show you in the other video. Okay, so this is it. So this is how it look, and I will see you just right back. So we're back, and this is the final result. So this is how it looks. The other side, okay, like it's not like it look like it's not on the right side, but if you look just right here, like it's the continuation of it. So whatever. So I really like the result. It's really looking really good, and it was really simple to make. So I'm speechless. Okay, no, I'm not speechless, but I really like it. And also maybe it would be probably even better if you did it with 32 pounds paper. Yeah, because it's a little bit like not as heavier as it should be really, but it's quite good and it's done the thing. Okay, so yes, so like I think I forgot to say it at the beginning, or just when I was doing this little prop. The thing is that I don't own anything, so I don't own the templates printable. I just found it a long time ago, like the other one online. So I really own nothing except my creativity. Creativity, it is all you say it. Creativity, whatever, you understand what I mean. So I hope you enjoy seeing how to do this little imitation prop. If you try it, just put a comment to make me know it that you try it. I will really appreciate if you wrote me a comment that you try it or whatever. And also I hope to see you in the next video. I don't know what it's going to be. It's maybe going to be another collection video like I did last time, but I'm still waiting for some box to unbox. So and if you didn't watch the February unboxing, go watch it. I will also put a link. And yes, so if you enjoy, please put a thumbs up and also subscribe for more. And I hope to see you in the next video. Ciao.